Hello, fantastic students. Dr. Stan Reilly here. I thought for this discussion, I would do a video along with my audio so that it could be a little bit more engaging with you. So I want to talk briefly about my experience with dealing with the differences between a leader and a manager. So as you will be discussing your research about the same subject, my experiences have to do with my time working in a professional role as an administrator in healthcare. So it's interesting that I was more of a in the middle. So I had the rare, wonderful, and unique opportunity to work with both leaders, which were individuals who were relatively disconnected from the general operations of what was going on in my hospital. And then the managers who were very, very hands-on as to what was going on in the hospital. So my role as in more of a liaison type capacity was to be the bridge that helped bring closer the communications between the functions that the leaders perform next to the functions that the managers perform. So I really had a great opportunity to see how both segments within the hierarchy interacted and behaved. All right. So there's not really that great of a difference between a leader and a manager, because a leader can be a manager and a manager can be a leader. However, in the distinctiveness of their roles, I can tell you that the leader is the visionary, has the bigger picture, the bigger strategy, sees into the future or wants to see into the future as to what decisions to make that will best propel the organization years ahead. The manager is the individual or the group of individuals, the managers, who perform the actual duties that it takes to keep operations steady and the business functioning and the oil in the car and the tires greased, and I really, however else you want to metaphorically state that, but they keep the functions performing. Everything is working, so that the visionaries can do just that, look ahead. Now, what has to happen in order for this to be successful is that leaders and managers must talk to each other, because leaders need to understand the limitations of the managers and their people that work beneath them, and managers need to appreciate the aspects that the leaders are providing as entities that see into the future and have a big picture type view of the organization or business, and appreciate what they do and support it. So I have been a part of tremendous growth and success with my hospital, because the leaders saw things that had to be done that in order to compete in the market today and the market of tomorrow. And I've worked with managers who have been very good at helping fulfill the vision of the leader. There also can be some barriers that when there are disagreements, because if leaders make decisions that are beyond what the managers can perform, there will be tension. And of course, leaders get frustrated with managers if they are not able to make happen what they see. So there has to be a communication chain where information flows up and down, and everything is amicable, and people talk and share and are able to communicate honestly and authentically with each other without feeling threatened. So I'm interested to hear and read more about what you all have discovered about your organizations and the roles of leaders and managers. And so fire away. I'm here for you as always. Thanks so much for letting me share my experiences with you. And again, I'm looking forward to reading your thoughts on the subject matter as well. Thank you.